So I ran into this, and I'm making a video of it because I'm sure other guys have ran into this. So see that FCW? I'm not done with the radios, leaving it chill. So part of working is checking your work. So there is a menu feature that you go into here by hitting menu. We want to go into system settings. Okay, display, clock, others. We're going to go to others. We're going to go to select car. And this is a legit 2014. It's a late model 2014. It is a 1213, which means it should be 14. Now, here's the issue. We go to 15 plus Accord. Check out the light. Right there on the dash. You watching? You watching? Right there, kid. I hit enter. Gone. See it disappear? You saw that. Just like an Egyptian magician I am. Let's do this again. Show you again. Select car. Now, we're going to go back to 1314. Check out the light. Up. Came back on. See that? Did you see that? Like a magician. Shows a glitch in the system. Select car. Technically, it's a 2014, but we're going 2015. There we go. Out. Done. See that? Gone. Over there. Gone. Like it? Don't like it? Share? Don't share? Subscribe? Don't subscribe? Thanks for watching.